Hello, assalamu alaikum. In the previous video, we learned how to prepare the data set for fsQCA analysis if we have Likert scale data, right? Right now, we will see how to calculate the descriptive statistics. Okay, so it's very simple. You can do it using fsQCA software or Microsoft Excel or SPSS software. It depends on you, right? So descriptive statistics, to know the data, to understand the data, right? So here is our data. If we go to the data and data analysis, just click on descriptive statistics, right? Descriptive statistics, okay. Input range, all are this all are input range, and first level is a row, right? I would like to investigate the summary of statistics, and okay. Here you will find all the descriptive statistics are in here. Just, it's a very simple video, just take only 1 minute or simply right. So after the next video, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.